Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well and staying safe and healthy. So today I'm going to share this very easy and yummy recipe for butter chicken with you. I'm going to make butter chicken with some cumin rice. The ingredients we need are 1 pound of boneless chicken breast cut into small pieces. I have 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of ready-made butter chicken mix. Here I have homemade ginger and garlic paste, so I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the garlic paste and about a teaspoon of ginger paste. So here I've added all my ingredients to the chicken. You can always modify the amount of spices to use according to your taste. So I've mixed everything together. Now I'm going to set it aside for about an hour. So one good thing about cooking is you can play around with the flavors and see which one works best for you. If you're new to cooking and you don't know what spices to use, you can always go to an Indian or Pakistani grocery store and just grab a ready-made butter chicken masala mix and just follow the directions. It's very simple. Or you can mix your homemade spices and add a little bit of the ready-made masala mix and it'll enhance the flavor even more. So I've taken a cup of rice, I've already washed them and I'm going to soak them in water for about an hour as well. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds in the water as well. Alright, time to start cooking. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter in my wok and heat it up. Butter looks good, I'm going to add in my chicken. So I've added my chicken in there. Now I'm just going to saute it on high heat just until the water dries, so about like 4 to 5 minutes. Once the water dries, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 cup of milk, and half cup of cream. Okay, so here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk. Now we're going to cover it and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. So the gravy looks good. I'm going to add in half cup of heavy cream. You can add more or less cream or you can swap it with half and half. At this point, it's up to you how thick you want your gravy to be. This looks good to me, so this is ready to serve. So for the rice, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute them. For 1 cup of rice, I'm going to put 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. So cover and cook on medium flame. In the meantime, I'm going to start warming up some naan. It's a frozen naan, so I've defrosted it and now I'm just going to butter it on both sides. Our yummy meal is ready to serve. You can serve butter chicken with naan, with rice, or you can just eat it by itself. Please try the recipe and let me know in the comments what you guys think. I will see you guys soon with another video. Until then, please take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for watching.